Okay, welcome to another refresher video. This one is solving quadratics that look like this. All right, we've got variables on both sides. One side actually has a quantity squared, so you're like, where do I get started? All right, parentheses hide the real problem. So my opinion is let's work with the left side. And some of you may want to do your side work and write this out twice and do your distribution. So pause the video if that's you, because all I'm going to do is write the result of this distribution. You got it? Okay, here we go. So this would be w squared minus 6w plus 9 equals 9 plus 2w. Good? Okay. Now, the w squared, remember, that's the key. That tells me that I'm either going to have to factor it or use the quadratic formula, and I'm supposed to get two answers. So the square tells me a lot. But in order to either factor it or use the quadratic formula, I need to make certain it's set equal to 0. So which side do you want the 0 on? I agree. Let's put it on the right, which means we are going to have to subtract the 9 from both sides, and we're going to have to subtract the 2w from both sides. And you know, you're not too sophisticated to write these little steps out that I'm putting up here on the board. Good? Okay, so let's see. We get w squared minus 8w. Woo, the 9's drop out. Yay. Equals 0. Wow, considering what it looked like in the beginning, this is actually quite nice, isn't it? All right, what are we going to do? Yeah, some of you are like, oh my gosh, just take out a w. I agree. And then you take each quantity and you set them equal to 0, because we have that old wonderful statement, if a times b equals 0, then a is 0 or b is 0. There are our two solutions. Cool? Okay, so I've got some examples coming your way. Work on them before you go find my answer key video. And I'll catch you on the flip side.